get through these two cases for you, okay?
Yes, sir.
Let me get YouTube verified that it's on. Oh. We are on live with YouTube. Court reporter's ready. Got a DA, yes, and a defense attorney. The court calls State of Texas versus Dwayne Smith. This is cause numbers 733-991 and 733-992. We're here today for pleas on those two cases. My name is, we are conducting the hearing live, rather, we're conducting the hearing using the Zoom application, and we are live streaming the proceedings on YouTube in order to keep it open to the public. My name is Judge Jefferson Moore. I'm sitting by assignment in County Court at Law number 4 for Bexar County, Texas, specifically in the jail court. And if I could have the attorneys make appearances, starting with the state of Texas, please.
Sabrina Urso for the state.
Ms. Corby, you're on mute.
Sorry, Karen Corby appearing for Dwayne Smith, Your Honor, defendant.
Yes, ma'am. And sir, are you the same Dwayne Smith who in the first case I called is charged with by information with burglary of a vehicle, and on the second case I called charged information with evading arrest? Is that you, sir?
Yes, sir, that is me.
I'm going to use a function of Zoom called share screen. I'm going to show you some documents from each case. And in the first case, you should see a document on your screen. It's called the defendant's consent to plea by video conference. And I'm using my cursor to circle around electronic signature. Is this your electronic signature?
Yes, sir, that's my electronic signature.
All right, let me show you on the second case. This is in 733-992. Same titled document. The defendant's consent to plea by video conference. And then again, I'm using my cursor to circle around electronic signature. Is this yours?
Yes, sir.
By signing this document in each case, you are telling me that you understand normally we do pleas live in an open court, but you're consenting to do this plea hearing by video conference. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, sir, fully understand.
Secondly, your electronic signature here on each of these documents is telling me that you understand that your electronic signature on these documents, as well as all the documents in the electronic signatures and the plea packets in front of me, that you're telling me those are valid as if they were personally signed. Did you understand that when you sign these documents?
Yes, sir.
I approve the consent in each case and make them part of their respective records. So I'm going to scroll down on your first case to a document called the court's admonishments. It's a 2-page document. And on page 2, I'm using my cursor to circle around an electronic signature. Is this yours?
Yes, sir.
And then let me go to the other case, 733-992. Scroll down to that one as well. And again, there's electronic signature. I'm using my cursor to circle around. Is this your signature, sir?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to get out of share screen. By signing the court's admonishments in each case, you are telling me that you understand the court's admonishments and that you understand the rights that are contained within it. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
That you're going to give up those rights. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
Right. You're going to give up in each case. As you have the right to a trial by jury, the right to confront the witnesses against you. You also have the right to remain silent, which includes the right not to incriminate yourself and not plead today. Did you understand that before you sign these?
Yes, sir.
By signing these, you're also telling me you understand the consequences of a plea and a sentencing range for the offenses, which for each case is the same because they are both Class A misdemeanor cases, and the possible punishment in a Class A misdemeanor is up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand that before you sign the court's admonishments in these cases?
Yes, sir.
Approve the waivers that are contained within the court's admonishments and make them a part of the record. State, can you relate to me the agreement you have with the defense?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs, 4 days in the Bear County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that this judgment be satisfied in both cases.
All right. Counsel, is that your understanding?
Yes, Your Honor.
And then, Mr. Smith, is that your understanding of your agreement as well?
Yes, sir.
No, Mr. Smith, I'm not bound by the plea bargain. I don't have to follow either one of these. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir. I know. Yes, sir.
But if I do follow the plea bargain, then you lose your right to appeal. Do you understand that?
May you repeat that, Judge?
Sure, of course. If I do follow your plea bargain, then you lose your right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
That's true unless I grant you permission to appeal or unless certain motions were filed and ruled upon. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And counsel, any such rulings in
No, Your
this
Honor.
case?
No, Your
Either
Honor.
case. All right. If I do not follow the plea bargain, I'll allow you to withdraw the plea and we'll proceed to trials if this hearing never occurred. Do you understand that?
Can you repeat that, sir?
I'll slow down a little bit. If I don't follow the plea bargain in these cases, then I'll allow you to withdraw the plea and you'll go to trial as if this hearing never occurred. So no one will ever know pled or anything like that. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Hold on. I believe my next thing is, are you an American citizen?
Yes, sir.
If not, then plead guilty or no contest to the offense in either case could have serious adverse effects on your immigration status. Counsel, do you believe for each case that your client has a factual and rational understanding of the charge pending against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
You believe he's been able to assist you in the defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
You believe he's mentally competent to waive rights and enter pleas here today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir, to the offenses that are listed on each case's information, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? Did I go too fast again for you, sir?
Oh,
I'm asking you, you've been charged once for burglary of vehicle and the other case evading arrest. And to that, how do you plead? Guilty or not guilty or no contest?
no.
Say a little bit louder.
No
Okay.
contest.
Okay, I could hear that. Okay, thank you. Do you understand that you can still be found guilty under a no contest plea?
Yes, sir.
Other than the plea bargain, did anyone promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No, sir.
Anyone force you or coerce you to plead today? Anyone force you to plead today, sir?
No, sir.
And then anyone coerce you? It's a little bit different, but any coercion to make you plead today?
No, sir.
After going over these cases with your attorney, do you believe that pleading here today is in your best interest?
Yes, sir.
Find that the pleas are freely, intelligently, voluntarily made, that he's mentally competent to enter into such a plea. And for each case, I find him guilty. Counsel, is there any legal reason as to why your client cannot be sentenced today?
No, Your Honor.
Being no legal reason, and of course, you agree with the state. For each case, sir, sentence you to 4 days in the Bear County Jail. I'll give you credit for time served. There's a $0 fine and court costs. They'll run concurrent. Time and money will run concurrent. Also, each case will run concurrent, and this is judgment satisfied. Sir, for each case is a plea bargain case. I follow the plea bargain. So you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You do not have the right to appeal. I'm making a certification of this for the record. We'll provide a copy of the certification to your attorney to provide to you. For the attorneys, is there anything else from either side?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
Nothing from defense, Your Honor.
All right, the matters are concluded. Thank you, sir.